The power of connection and engagement, social media's global reach. In an era defined by digital advancements, one of the most transformative impacts has been the ability of social media to transcend geographical boundaries and bring people together in unprecedented ways. The evolution of technology has revolutionized communication, enabling friendships, relationships, and professional connections to flourish through virtual platforms. Social media's power of connection and engagement has reshaped the way we interact, fostering a global community that thrives on shared experiences and conversations. The virtual reunion of hearts and minds gone are the days when physical distance posed a significant challenge to maintaining relationships. Social media has bridged the gap between continents, enabling individuals to stay connected with their loved ones regardless of where they are in the world. Grandparents living halfway across the globe can now witness their grandchildren's milestones through real-time updates and photos. Friends who were once separated by oceans can seamlessly catch up on each other's lives as if they were next door. The virtual realm of social media has created an arena where moments are shared and cherished, from birthdays to anniversaries, from graduations to family gatherings. The power of these connections is not limited to personal relationships. It extends to professional networks and communities as well. A global network of professionals. In the realm of business and professional networking, social media platforms have transformed the way individuals connect and collaborate. LinkedIn, for instance, has become the digital equivalent of a networking event, allowing professionals to showcase their skills, accomplishments, and career aspirations. It opens doors to job opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations that would have otherwise been inaccessible due to geographical constraints. Entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creatives can build their brands, expand their clientele, and collaborate with like-minded professionals from around the world. Social media's power lies in its ability to facilitate meaningful connections that can lead to career growth and innovation. Uniting around shared interests. Social media not only connects people on a personal and professional level, but also serves as a hub for individuals with shared interests. Online communities, groups, and forums allow individuals to connect over hobbies, passions, and causes that resonate with them. Whether it's a fan club for a favorite TV show, a group dedicated to a specific genre of music, or a platform for activists advocating for social change, social media provides a space for like-minded individuals to connect, share ideas, and collaborate, from local to global conversations. One of the most impactful aspects of social media's power of connection is its role in facilitating global conversations. News, events, and social issues can be discussed and dissected by individuals from diverse backgrounds, creating a platform for cross-cultural understanding and awareness. Movements like #BlackLivesMatter, #MeToo, and climate activism have gained momentum and spread rapidly through social media, transcending borders and uniting people in the pursuit of change. The responsibility of connection. While social media has undoubtedly revolutionized how we connect and engage, it also comes with its challenges. The rapid spread of information, the risk of misinformation, and the potential for echo chambers are all factors that require mindful navigation. Striking a balance between staying informed and maintaining a healthy digital presence is essential in harnessing the power of social media for positive connections. In conclusion, the power of connection and engagement that social media offers has reshaped our world in profound ways. From reuniting families separated by oceans to facilitating collaborations among professionals and sparking global conversations, social media's impact is undeniable. As we continue to navigate this digital landscape, understanding the potential and responsibilities that come with social media connectivity is key to fostering meaningful relationships and contributing to a more connected global community.